Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple way how to transfer your assets to your local bank account using Nigeria account, for instance. Guys, if this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates in the crypto space, especially those relating to core. Give a thumbs up to my video. Feel free to share my video. Drop your comments at the comment section if you have any at the end of this video. Now, if you wish to convert or to transfer whatever asset you have in your wallet, you can do that in just few clicks. Okay. Now today I'm going to make use of this app, Remitano. This is my Remitano app. I'm going to drop the link in the description so that you sign up if you don't have it. Remitano is one of a very wonderful crypto exchange platform, which I personally love using. Okay, because it's very easy for me to transfer my assets, whatever type of crypto that I have in the app, to my local bank account in just a few minutes. Okay, now you first of all, you after downloading the app, okay, from Play Store, you make sure you verify your account. Verify your account using your documents, any of the national identities documents, which includes your NIMC, that is your national ID card. I think they permit voters card, your international passport, your driver's license. Okay, you connect your phone number as well and your email address. Okay, once all these are done, then you can start using this app freely. Okay, guys. Now, if you want to swap any crypto, if you want to send from this Remitano to your local bank, what you have to do is when you open this page, this is the first page, the home page. Okay, you click on wallet. Okay, guys, you click on wallet. This is wallet. Okay, when you click on wallet, you locate the particular asset which you want to swap and send to your bank account. Now here, I'm going to take, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use this XTZ. As you can see here, I have $3.22 worth of XTZ. Okay, now I want to swap this XTZ to my local currency, which is Naira. Okay, so guys, I'll simply click on XTZ. I'll just tap on it. Okay, then give some seconds. Okay, then I'll click on the swap option, the swap button. This is the swap button. I'll quickly click on it. Now I want to swap this XTZ to my Nigerian currency so that I can be able to transfer it to my local bank account. Okay, now you should transfer based on the current market price, okay, by leaving this box checked. Okay, then you input the total number of XTZ which you want to convert to USDT. Then, but if you want to convert everything that you have, if you want to convert all the values of your XTZ to USDT or to Naira, to Naira, then you click on max. Okay, now please take note of this. Take note of this. We are going to change this now to Naira and not USDT. And by doing that, we simply click on USDT. Okay, when you click on it, then you search for Naira. Okay, this is NGNR. Okay, you can select your own country if the option is there. So I'm going to click on NGNR to Naira. Okay, now this is it. This is it. Now here, take note of this. 1 XTZ, this is the equivalent in Naira, 869 Naira 0.70. Okay, that is the equivalent of 1 XTZ. So now I'm going to click on this max button because I want to convert everything. I want to convert all these XTZ to my Naira so that I can transfer it to my local bank account. So guys, I'm going to click on max now. I click on max. Okay, now as you can see, the value is here. This is the total XTZ that I have. When I convert it, this is what I'm going to get, 2,780 Naira. So what I'll do now is I'll simply click on buy NGNR. So I'll click on buy. Then you read this confirmation pop-up message. Please confirm that you want to swap with below information. Okay, XTZ to Naira. You click on confirm. If you are not sure, you can click on cancel, but I am sure, so I'll go to confirm. Okay, now you can see your swap order is processed. Now I want you to take a look at this option, this side, at this top section, sorry. Once it's successful, the message will pop up at this up section. So let's patiently wait. Okay, now as you can see, it's there already. Okay, you see it? I hope you see it. Your swap order, okay, is filled. That means it has been successful. So in order to check, let me quickly go to wallet. I'll click on wallet. Then, as you can see here, the NGNR has shown. This is it. I have 2,780 Naira, which is equivalent to $3.72 dollars. Now, what I want to do now is, the next thing I'm going to do now is to transfer this Naira to my local bank account. Okay, guys? Now, if you have any questions in what I've just explained, you drop your questions at the comment section and I will respond to that. Okay, if you have any question at all, just drop it before we continue. And if this is your first time of visiting my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and feel free to share my videos, give a thumbs up to my videos. Okay, now guys, let's proceed. So I'll simply click on this I'll just tap on this, sorry, on withdraw. Here is it. I'll click on withdraw. I want to withdraw this money into my local bank account, so I'll click on withdraw. This process is very, very simple. Okay, I'm on it now. It's coming up. It's coming up. Now, as I'm doing this, as you can see, I have a pop-up message. Okay, guys, I have a pop-up message, and this is the pop-up message. You have swapped from this. I hope you can see it on the screen. I can't circle it now, but I hope you can see the first two pop-up messages. Okay, guys, now let's proceed. Okay, now in my own case here, as you can see here, I have, this is my bank account. Okay, guys, this is my bank account, which I have added before. This is my bank account, which I've added before. But in your own case, if you've not added your bank account before, now you click on this option, add new account. Now, guys, I advise, because of the current regulation in cryptocurrency in our country, Nigeria, today, I would suggest, if you want to do this, you use your online banks. Okay, and that is why I made use of a Kuda. Kuda is an online bank. It is reliable. I've been making use of it for years, and it has been working perfectly. You can also use a OPay. You can also use a PalmPay. These are all online banks. Okay, I'll drop the link in the description of Kuda so that you download, you register, and do this. It doesn't take you anything. You don't need to go to the bank. As a matter of fact, you can even get your ATM delivered at your doorstep. You just have to pay for delivery charges. You get your ATM. Okay, I have mine. I received mine some months ago. Okay, and I'm using it without any problem. If I want to withdraw money from POS, if I want to withdraw money from the bank, I simply use my Kuda bank debit card. Okay, and I've been using it for transactions. Okay, you try and verify the account once you register. After verification, you can receive a limitless amount of money, but the amount you are going to send out, that is the sending amount for every 24 hours, is limited. I think it's 50 million thereabouts. Okay, you can just go through and check. If you have any question, you drop it at the comment section and I will respond to you, or you can chat me up. I will also drop my WhatsApp group link in the description so that you chat me for whatever question you may have. If you feel I didn't respond quickly to your YouTube the question you drop at the comment section. Okay, guys, now let's proceed. You click on this add new account. Okay, when you click on add new account, you see here, you click on the bank option, this drop down arrow. I hope you are still with me. This drop down arrow. Okay, when you click on drop down arrow, you see all these banks. Okay, you see all these banks that has these symbols. I hope you can see this symbol. They are banks that their transactions are very, very fast. Okay, all these banks that has this icon, they are very, very fast, which doesn't mean that you cannot use other accounts. Okay, so thank God. Okay, as you can see, it OPay is here, Keystone is here, Kuda is here also. Okay, I think these are the only online banks that are here, Kuda and OPay. So you can register for OPay, okay, or Kuda. As for Kuda, I'm going to drop the link in the description, like I said before. So you select the type of bank. Okay, let me take Kuda for instance. Okay, or OPay. I'll click on it. Just for instance, here you on the bank account section, you type the account number of your OP account or your Kuda account. Then once you type the account number, definitely at the bank account name section, it will automatically fill up. Okay, and once it fills up, you click on create. Once you click on create, automatically it will be added to your account. Okay, it will be attached to this your Remitano exchange wallet, so that you can use it to make your transfer. Okay guys, I hope this is understood. So let us go back. For this for now, I'm not going to add any other bank account because already I have one. Okay, but I believe you understand the processes which I just explained. So since I have my Kuda account linked to my Remitano app, I'll simply select this Kuda. Okay, then I've selected it. Then I'll click on the continue option. This is continue. I'll click on continue. Okay, then hold on. Now here, this is where I'm going to type the amount of money that I want to send. Okay, now let me send let's say 1,500 Naira. Okay, now take a look at this. Take a look at this, guys. Take a look at this. The amount that I will transfer should be, this is the minimum withdrawal threshold. It should be bigger than 2,000 Naira. Okay, so 1,500, I cannot withdraw it. So I'll simply put 2,500. Already I have 2,780. Okay, just like you see it here. Okay, so let us withdraw 2,500 for the purpose of this video. Then I'll click on the confirm button. Okay, I've been using this. This is not the first time. As you can see here, I used it on the 4th of this month. Okay, and it took me just 6 minutes and 36 seconds before the transaction was completed. So it doesn't take time at all. It doesn't take time at all, irrespective of the amount that you are sending or that you want to withdraw to your bank account. So let's click on confirm. I'll click on confirm. Okay, now you read this. You review and confirm your withdrawal details. This is the withdrawal amount, the withdrawal method, the bank name, the bank account name, and the bank account number. Now, there is another warning I want to pass here. Now, you make sure that the name that you use for registration of this account, the name you use, sorry for that, the name you use for registration of this account must be the same name with your bank account. So don't make that mistake. Make sure the name must be the same. Okay, the name used for registering the account and the name of the account that you wish to use to do the withdrawal. Then you simply click on withdraw. Okay, now I've clicked on withdraw. Then wait for some seconds. Wait for some seconds. It's coming up. It's coming up. So just give it some seconds. Just give it some seconds. Give it some seconds. Don't be in a haste. Okay, it's trying to process the transaction. It's trying to process this transaction. Hold on a bit. Hold on a bit. It's coming up. Now, guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this. The withdrawal has it has successfully been completed, but then there are some confirmations that we need to make here. Okay, before it drops to our account. Okay, take a look beneath the page. You see the time. It's counting down. Okay, now do not exit this page. You have to patiently wait until the transaction is confirmed before you exit the page. As you can see, we have 2 bars here left. Okay, for the confirmation, for the transaction to be confirmed. Okay, you can take a look at the screen. You read through. Okay, the person who is the sender, you see the name there, the amount, the estimated transfer fee, which is 10 Naira, and the account details. So just patiently wait for the transaction confirmation. Now, so guys, as you can see on this screen, the transaction has been completed. Okay, the transaction has just been completed. As you can see, this is the status of the transaction, it shows sent. Okay, now let me check to see. I just received a notification here. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, as you can see, here is the notification that someone has sent me 2,489.25 Naira. That is, there was a charge of about let's say 20 Naira thereabout. Okay, now let me quickly go to my email and see if I have gotten the notification, the transaction details. Okay, now this is it. This is the first message on this screen. Transaction notification. Here is it. I'm trying to open it. Okay, now look at it. Look at it, guys. I just received it. Okay, this is it. So guys, this is how to transfer your assets from Remitano wallet, from Remitano exchanger platform to your Nigerian bank account. It is very, very simple. You can do this. Whatever asset you have in your Remitano app and you wish to transfer it to your local bank account, you can do that. And in less than 5-6 minutes, you are going to get you are going to receive your fund. You are going to receive your money paid directly into your Nigerian local account. So guys, this is the information I wish to share with you guys this evening. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to drop your comments at the comment section. If you have any question at all, drop it at the comment section and I will respond in due time. Feel free to share my videos. Okay, and I hope to see you in my next video.